Well, my friend Kurtasha here, and welcome to this Actual Hits for You training. Now, if you're watching this inside the members area, do me a favor, take the time real quick to go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and give this video a like, comment, and a share, because it really helps my channel out. And it's also going to allow you to get a lot of free training from me as a subscriber to my channel, so make sure you do that. If you're not in the members area and you're seeing this on YouTube, and you're not a member of Actual Hits for You yet, be sure to click that link down below to get started today, alright? So, this is actually going to be more advanced training compared to the one I did previously. That because of the fact that Sam has recently added some other features to the site, including a brand new co-op marketing feature, which we're going to go over today. Okay, so whether you're a member or not, or a new member, if you're watching this on YouTube, just follow along and get signed up by clicking that link down below. If you are a member right now inside of Actual Hits for You, go ahead and follow along with me as we're doing this, right? So I'm going to go ahead and log in first. If you're not a member, obviously go through here and check out what's available here. If you're already a member, just go and log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, when you log in, you're going to get a one-time offer. And I believe this is like a login offer. You may sometimes get a one-time offer for an upgrade, okay, for a lifetime upgrade. I've already skipped that today, so I'm not going to see it here. But I'm going to go ahead and tomorrow I'm going to go in and grab that when I see it. But just check out the upgrade here, the one-time offer. See if you want to do it or not. If not, just go ahead and skip it. Okay, I'm going to skip it for now. I wanted to do this training from the point of view of a free member, so you can see what you're getting as a free member. And then once I upgrade, okay, then I will probably do an advanced training for upgrade members as well. Okay, but let's go ahead and continue on. Once you log in, you'll see some banner ads from other members. And this is your main members area here. It's going to have all your stats right here. Okay, this is the difference between the different account types, between free, Pro, Lite, Pro, and the other upgraded memberships. Okay, you see more ads down here. Okay, and then I'm going to go back up to the top, and we're going to go through each section step by step. Okay, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time, but I'm going to spend time on the most important parts. Right. So TE advertising. If I click there, we go to the TE advertising section, and it's going to tell you exactly what traffic exchange advertising is. Okay, you can actually click here to learn how it works, and that's going to take you over to this page here where it talks about how co-op advertising works, which we'll go over later, and how TE advertising works. Okay, and you can click here to start surfing, but we're going to go ahead and skip that for now. Under TE websites, that's where you're going to add in your own websites. Okay. And all you do is you add the name of the site and the link here, click Save, and you can assign your credits here just by adding them in here and clicking on Assign. Okay, I'm not going to add new sites here. You know how to add sites to an exchange, I'm sure. And if you have questions, you can just contact Sam, he'll help you out. But it's really simple. You put the name, the link, click Save, and then you add you assign your credits. Right? Banner ads is the same concept. You can exchange credits for impressions if you want to, or if you have impressions, just add them in here. Just add the image link and the target link for the URL right here, and then click Save, and you can assign your credits and impressions. It's very simple to do. Okay, nothing complicated about that. Go back. Square banners. Okay, you can add square banners. This is 125 by 125. Very simple. Again, you just put your link here, your image link here, your target link here, save it. Okay, boom, you're done. Okay. Text ads, again, same concept. Okay. You just add your text ad here, put the link, the name of the text ad, or whichever you want the ad to say, and your link. That's it. And sign your impressions right here, or assign credits. And credits translate into, one credit translates into 5 impressions or 5 views, right? If you go to auto assign, you can actually have credits auto assigned to your sites, okay? And you must have a minimum of 75% assigned if you're a free member. And then all you do is you just assign. It'll show you the links that you have that you added here under websites. It'll show those links here, and you can enter the percentage of credits you want to be assigned to each one, auto assign. So I have 75% added in, which means 25% of my credits will accumulate that I can use for whatever I want to use them for. Go to Surf Center. Okay, if you click Start Serving, that's gonna pop up the surf tab, and then it's going to go for an 8-second timer. Go ahead and click the matching image. Okay, and now we got another site to look at. And that's going to go for 8 seconds. Bam. And then we kind of keep on going. Okay, I'm not going to spend all day surfing here though. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go back to, click on home and go back to the home page. Okay, go back to Surf Center. If I enter my surf code, if I get a surf code, a promo code is basically it'll give you some more benefits for surfing. For example, you enter a code in there and it'll get you, maybe it'll get you a faster surf timer. Maybe it'll get you extra credits if you surf in a certain number of sites. Okay, and your completed codes will be right here. If you want to surf as part of a team, you can come here and learn about the team surfing. I'm not going to spend too much time on that in this video, but just come here and learn what it's like. You actually get some cool benefits as surfing as part of a team. But if you don't want to, that's perfectly fine. But just go and check it out and see if it's something you want to do. And to surf rewards, today I've surfed 3 pages. Now if I surf 100 pages, I'll get 10 credits, or 100 banners, or 100 text links. If I surf 200 pages, I'll get this, 300, 500. If I surf 800, I'll get this. Okay, so it's a good, it's beneficial to kind of see what they've got available here, and then take your time to surf and get those extra credits and extra benefits. If I go to the co-op advertising system, that is what this is you enter your sites into the co-op, and then you have a special co-op link that you promote, which is this one right here. And then what's going to happen is when you, I'm going to close the tabs real quick. When this is viewed, you're earning credits. Okay, and those credits are translated into views for your other sites. So if I open this up in a new tab, it's got my picture here, a few ads up here, and it's going to show someone else's site down below. Okay, looks like it's not quite not loading up right. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this and see. Maybe their site may be. Sometimes there's a site isn't can't be viewed in frames. Sometimes or it just if this one here can't be viewed in frame. Let's see if the site pops up here. Okay, so this is someone else's site right here. Okay, and they're getting their site viewed. I'm actually earning credits for having the site viewed. Okay, for showing the site. And if I refresh again, I'll show another site. Okay, now I'm not earning credits right now because I'm the one viewing the site, viewing my own link. But if someone else is viewing this link, say on a different exchange, I will be earning credits. Okay, and this person here is getting views, which is it's a win-win situation. Okay. And again, if I click co-op link, it's going to take me to the same exact page where I can get that link right here. Okay, bam. I can enter sites into the co-op right here. Okay, I'm not going to do it right now, but if I wanted to have a site advertising the co-op, I just put it right in here. Okay, and put the name, put the link, add it, and then I can also, if I go back over to the TE websites, okay, I can actually add a site in here and actually choose whether I want it to be viewed on the co-op as well as the exchange. Same thing with the co-op advertising. If I go back to where I was, I can actually select to have it shown in the exchange and the co-op, or just keep it as no and have it only as a co-op. Okay, whichever you want to do. Okay, you add it in, and then you can assign credits as you're earning the credits through the co-op. The co-op advertising credits and TE credits or exchange credits are different. Okay, so these credits here that you earn for Topic Exchange advertising are not the same as the ones you earn for this. You earn these credits when your co-op link is being shown. Okay, when it's being shown when it's being shown by somebody else on another site. Okay, I can also auto assign the co-op credits if I want to. Okay, right. So that's actually the. Yeah, right. Okay. So if you want to auto assign whether it's under here or under here, it's going to give you the same page. It's going to show you your T sites first, and then it's going to show you down here your co-op sites. Okay, and you can auto assign those as well. All right. If you want to make sure that your site is your co-op link is shown on an approved source, as in not junk traffic, you can check all these sites right here. Okay, all these sites are approved. All right, those that aren't approved are going to be shown under the restricted source section. Okay, like auto source and things like that. And, junk traffic. We don't want junk traffic. We want real people seeing these co-op links because we want to help each other promote our different opportunities, our different sites. Okay, it's not a competition. It's cooperative. Remember that. We're helping each other out. Okay, so make sure you're not using any of these sites here. If there's a site you're using and you're not sure if it's approved or if it's going to be restricted, just contact Samuel through support and find out and ask him if he thinks that your site is okay to show the co-op link on, or if not. Okay. But make sure you're not using any of these restricted sites, okay, for sure. There's also a co-op partner feature, which is an advanced feature, which I don't have access to right now. Go to the promote section. We have affiliate toolbox, which is all of your affiliate tools, your link, your splash pages, your banners, okay. We also have a multi-banner page, which is pretty cool. So all your banners that you have in the system are going to show up here on this page, which is going to promote Actual Hits for You plus your banners, okay, plus your sites, which is pretty awesome. So that's a great way to promote your own sites plus promote the Actual Hits for You system and get referrals. Your personal splash is where you can actually create a splash page that's personalized to you, add your own image, etc. I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to do it soon, and then this is the link for that. Okay, this is actually a great way to brand yourself, right? Which is something it's really important with internet marketing and working online, is branding yourself and building trust with your audience. Going to the external price page. Okay. Now I've already claimed my prizes. Okay. For today, but what we do, we would show some prizes you can win. Just for being a member. Let me go and log back in. It kind of logged me out. Okay, let's go skip through here. Yeah, for some reason it logged me out. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go back to external price page. See if it logs me out again. Okay, so yeah. So since I've already claimed it, I can't claim it again. But it's you win extra credits and banner prices, things like that. Okay. Let's go skip through this again. Okay. So when you log in, just check under promote and check your external price page and see if you won any credits or other prizes. Download Builder. There's several traffic sites and opportunities in here that you can sign up under your sponsor. Okay. A lot of your traffic sites in here. And then when you add your IDs in here, when someone joins Actual Hits for You and clicks to join these, they'll join under you in these systems as well. Okay, which is pretty awesome. Okay, your referrals are going to be listed right here. I don't have any right now. The top promoters is basically the leaderboard for the TE, and also the top co-op promoters are right here. Okay. There's different competitions that you can get into. There's a refer competition and a server competition. Okay, you can check these out here and click here to see the leaderboards. Trackers and rotators, you can actually track your links, create rotators for your sites as well. Okay, I'm not going to go too much into that. Helping tutorials right here if you need help with anything. And this will help track all your hits to your different sites. Okay. Under account, profile obviously is your personal information, your email address, your password. You can change it there, etc. You can find private messages right here. You can click here to see all the upgrade options. Your stats will be available here. You can create a testimonial here for the site once you've used it, and whatever, if you like the site, going to give a testimonial. You can go here to check out your commissions. You can check out the forum right here. They've got Sam set up a forum for the site here. FAQs, if you have any question about anything, check the FAQs first, and if you can't get it answered there, contact support. Okay. Here you can actually buy credits if you want, okay? And you can buy a start page. You can buy credits, okay? Here, and buy banner impressions, etc. If you're a TE owner, you can actually join as a TE partner. He did have an exchange for sale. This one is already sold. Right here, he has a ready-made site you can actually pick up for $2.99, okay? Or you can do a rent-to-own, $75 monthly for 6 months. And then, so if you want to get a site that's already set up and ready to go, this is a great way to do it. Or if you're already an owner, become one of his partners, okay, one of his advertising partners, right? Under credits exchange, you can actually change your credits you can actually go back and forth between credits, co-op credits, impressions for banners and text ads, and exchange it back and forth here, okay? So if you have a lot of credits that you're not really using for your websites, you can actually change to banners or co-op credits. Here's where you can click here to get support, and here's where you're going to log out, obviously. But guys, that is really it. About the most important thing in this training that I wanted to really emphasize is the co-op feature. Now, obviously, the exchange is great, okay, but being able to use the co-op is fantastic. So that's gonna be my next source of advertising. I'm going to be using this co-op here, okay, because I get a lot of great results from other co-ops, and I know I'll get great results from this co-op here as well. So with that, guys, thanks for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube now, be sure to click the link down below and get signed up with Actual Hits for You. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a like, comment, and share. And if you're already a member of Actual Hits for You, do me a favor, go through this entire video training again. Make sure you learn and understand everything. If you have any questions, you can either contact Samuel under support or just contact me. I'm always available. You can contact me through YouTube, and I'll actually see if I can actually add my some of my other social links here on my profile, and I'll be happy to help out as much as I can as well too. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your segment of Actual Hits for You. Hope you have a great time with it, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.